first signs of snowfall accosted us on our trade cities on the wild human borders, and our last collection before returning to the capital. Several days ago, the sun simply came to a stop in the sky. Though during these long winter days, none of us can be certain how long it has been this way. Some of the men in the caravan have taken it as a dire omen. I am not quick to superstition, but I myself will be glad to be done with this year's rounds.
Okay, sorry Leute, ich muss noch mal den Stream neu starten. Hallo, 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 hallo. Ja, jetzt sollte es eigentlich gut sein. Ja, behalten wir das so.